Hajime maste. Watashi wa Swati desu. Looking at my thumbnail, you must have understood that I have greeted you and I have introduced myself in Japanese. So, if you want to learn any language, you need basic things. Now, there are two parts if you want to learn any language, spoken part and written part. For spoken part, you need sounds, phonetics, and for written part, you need scripts. When you enter in the school first time at the age of 3 or 4 years, you first learn the alphabets of any language. If you want to learn English, then you have to learn 26 alphabets in capital letters and in small letters. If you want to learn Hindi or Marathi or even Sanskrit, also you have to learn Devanagari script. Same as if you want to learn Japanese language, then also we have to learn the alphabets or scripts of Japanese. Now, before going to main part, I want to discuss with you what is language. So, what is language? Language is the medium of communication. To express yourself, to convey your thoughts, to share something with others, to document the things and being understood. So if you want to learn any language, you have to understand that language, you have to speak in that language, you have to read and you have to write in that language. We are going to do all these things in this Japanese language learning course. Okay? You will be surprised to know that till 4th, somewhere it is written up to 8th century, Japan has no scripts to write. They used to talk fluently. They had language, but they could not write. Okay? Then gradually when traveling started from Korea and China to Japan by the means of trades, the pictograms entered in Japan. And then Japanese thought that we could use these pictograms for documentation. And hence the kanji characters are entered in Japan. But at that time, women were not allowed to write or to access the kanji characters. Then they developed the Hiragana script. So, in this way, Hiragana is developed in Japan. Then slowly Japanese people were also started to go in China or the neighboring countries for trades. Then they started to use the foreign words. And again question arises how to write these foreign words. And then katakana developed in Japan. Okay, in this way, in Japanese language, actually we say Japanese language, but actually the Japanese language has one particular name, that is Nihongo. Even in Japanese language, in Nihongo, Japan is also called as Nihon. Okay? So, we were discussing the scripts. As we have discussed, there are 3 scripts in Japanese language in Nihongo. One is Hiragana, then Katakana. These 2 are kana scripts. And kanji, which was first script entered from China to Japan. Means origin of kanji is China. These are pictograms or ideograms. Okay? Hiragana and katakana. Basic difference between hiragana and katakana is hiragana is for the words of Japanese origin. Katakana is developed for the foreign words. And kanji are from China to Japan and which are pictograms or ideograms. Okay? In hiragana and katakana, there are 46 basic symbols, phonetic symbols you can say. Or you may say the alphabets of Japanese language. And 46 in Hiragana and 46 in Katakana. There is second set also for Hiragana and Katakana of 25 characters. These 25 characters are developed from Hiragana and Katakana only by using two symbols. These. Okay. So in this way, Hiragana and Katakana, we will see all the alphabets, all these symbols, how to write, how to speak, what is the pronunciation, all those things we will see one by one in our forthcoming videos. Okay? Because there is a special stroke order to write Hiragana and Katakana. We can't miss that stroke order. Okay? But we will do all these from our next video. So if you are serious to learn the Japanese language, anybody can learn the language at any age. It may be a kid to learn or any adult to learn. If you are serious to learn the Japanese language, then subscribe my channel and press that bell icon. You will get the notifications of my forthcoming videos related to Nihongo. Okay? Till then, goodbye. Keep watching.